How you doing? Dave Barodnelli with MarineMax Boston, and today I'm going to take you aboard the 2019 Galeon 470 Sky. This boat's very unique. As you can see, it's got a full down port side where you entertaining for a whole bar area. You can see it extends the beam another 3 or 4 feet. Most boats this size won't give you that much usable space. Here on the platform, you've got a T-platform, hydraulic with built-in steps, so when it goes down you have floating steps. You've got a hideaway transom seat, and you've got a nice hideaway transom grill area right here as well too. Prep and Kenyon electric grill. Storage for your fenders and dock lines. Moving forward, you'll notice the beautiful stainless steel work. This is all built in-house. The teak is built in-house. Nice big U-shaped seating here. High-low table. You can see you've got a filler cushion for a nice area to lay out in. Moving into the salon, you'll see the doors open all the way, which gives you all one level, free flow from the salon area out into the cockpit area. Here you'll notice on port and starboard you've got 2 opening windows, which is nice. You've got total free flow air throughout the cabin. Port side you have a full galley here, 2-burner stove, microwave, refrigerator, and you've got great storage in this boat, as you can see here. More storage on the starboard side. Up 1 step to the port side, you have a great U-shaped seating, all diamond stitched material. This is all, again, made in-house. On the starboard side, you've got a hideaway TV, another seating area, and then that brings us to our helm area. You can see how nicely this is all finished, one piece. You've got Raymarine electronics, Volvo Penta diesel engines, bow thruster. You have a beautiful window here starboard so that you can talk to people when you're docking the boat. And above head you do have another sunroof which does open up aft. Moving down, this is a 3 stateroom boat. We'll take you into the master stateroom now first. You'll notice as you walk in you've got a full head here, separate shower, vacuum flush toilet. As you come down you'll see this boat has a full master aft. So it uses the whole width of the boat, full-size berth, beautiful lighting, storage, hanging closets, and then you've got great hull-side windows again, which gives you a lot of natural light inside of this boat. As we move forward, back into the main area, on the starboard side you'll notice this over-under bunk stateroom with a hanging closet. You'll notice that there's a day head here on the port side, full-size shower. And then forward you've got your guest VIP stateroom, full-size berth. A lot of natural light with the overhead skylights and hull-side windows throughout. And again, storage all above head and 2 hanging closets on port and starboard. But again, great use of space for storage, big wide drawers. And you do have access in here as well to this head. So we'll go out, we'll go take a look at the SKYDECK. You'll notice they both got molded in beautiful stairs, very safe coming up. And up here on the SKYBridge, you do have another L seating here on the starboard side. You'll notice that there is backrest. Backrests do pop up throughout the boat and they hide down inside of the cushion so that when you leave by the push of a button, this comes forward and encloses the entire bridge so you don't have to deal with any canvas covers. You do have full electronics up here as well. Raymarine screen, another bow thruster control, and full gauges for your engine management. From up here you can see forward, you do have bow seating in this boat, which is great. Again, there is flip-up bow rest, port, starboard, and in the aft. And those all hide underneath, so it's very easy to put this boat away. Again, Dave Barodnelli aboard the 2019 Galeon 470 Sky. For more information, give me a call at 401-569-3874. Thanks again.